Hey guys, so if you have the issue that your Epson projector not displaying on your computer screen, I was looking on how you can possibly fix the issue because I didn't find a much solution here. Like you can turn off the projector, then try to turn it on, but maybe it's not going to work out. But what someone wrote here, I went to System, Display, Advanced Display. So we're gonna go to System. No, Advanced Display. And where you're gonna have the display, you want to choose a projector here, and there where you're gonna choose a projector, and you want to make refresh rate lower than 60 Hz. So make, when you're gonna have the refresh rate, have it under 60. So try it out, maybe it's going to help you. So locate your display settings for the projector and refresh rate under 60, and then it started working. So try it out, maybe it's going to fix it, I hope so. So have a great day and goodbye.